Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and this month it's going to be filled, and I mean filled, with tons of Valentine's Day looks, not only from me, but from other YouTubers out there. So I thought I'd get ahead and do a daytime friendly, you know, nothing too glam, but something that's still put together that, you know, if you're going out and about, you still feel like, okay, yeah, like I'm feeling myself. It's Valentine's Day, you know. You're not over the top, but you're not underdone, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are interested in how I got this look for Valentine's Day, then please keep on watching. I already have my brows done and my eyes have been set. So I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette from One Size Beauty Patrick Star Visionary palette. And I'm going to grab a large fluffy brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Manila Sands, which is the lightest shade in the palette. And we're going to just dust that down all over the lid because I do want this to be a daytime friendly look. So even though I set down with like a, basically it was MAC NC40. So I'm just going to put this down just to help get the shade that I want, because I want this to be very light. I don't know what happened. So just really quick before I go any further, I used this shade here, Manila Sands, all over my lid to basically just help set and add a brow bone highlight. Then I went into this shade here, which is Mango, and I focused that in my crease and blended it up towards my brow bone, but not going in this section right. So I'm using this same brush, and I'm just going to go into the shade Suede Charm. And we're going to focus that on the outer portion of the crease, just to add a little depth. Because I really want this to be as natural of an eye look as possible. Focusing that right there in the outer corner. Now that we have that done, we're going to take his liquid eyeshadows or eye poppers. And I'm going to take the shade Pea House, which is like a rose gold type of color. And I'm just going to, you know what, I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to take the, going to use the Luxie 211 concealer brush. Apparently I can't read. And I'm just going to take that and grab some product. And I'm just going to go all over my lid space. Like so. And just blending that, tapping that at the outer corner, because I really don't want that to go any farther. Taking some more product. Laying that down. Now, before that sets, with my eye shape, I kind of have to set that down with something. I'm just going to take the excess and put it on my other eye really quick. Ooh, I like it like this more so than this. Ooh, okay. Learned something today. So, being that that is still wet, I'm going to grab the Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush. And I'm going to grab the shade Walnut Strut. And I'm just going to ever so lightly tap that on the brush. And then tap that in the outer corner. Like so, just to add a little depth. And also help set it. Then, back with my fluffy brush, I'm going to change it and I'm going to go into Title Holder. And I'm going to set the inner corner part of my lid and the center. Just so that it does not move, because knowing my eye shape, it will move. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye. So then he has another shade in the eye popper called Let's Pump. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to use directly on the applicator. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to take the concealer brush, take that product and put that on the inner corner of my eye. Then to set that, using the same concealer brush, I'm going to go into the shade Manila Sands, which was that white cream. And I'm just going to ever so gently tap that matte shadow on top of that popper. So I went ahead and did my base makeup, and the eyes we're going to finish up right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the eyeshadow palette, and on our big fluffy, no, I'm sorry, taking a Luxie 209 shader brush or large shader, we're going to go into the shade Taupe of My Game, which is this shade right here. And we're just going to take that and run that along the bottom lash line. Moving on to bronzer and contour, I'm going to take the MAC and Patrick Star Take Me Home Blush Duo. And we're just going to use that for our blush and bronzer, if you will. So I'm just going to take this Luxie tapered highlighting brush and use that for a little bit of color. Just going ever so lightly. So I do not want a heavy look at all. I want this to be really wearable. Then for contour, I am taking the Tarte Matte Park Avenue Princess and just going to lightly contour my face. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you liked it. I love that this look is a little pop of color. It's still daytime appropriate, so if you're with your kids and your hubby, you're still out and about, but you know, it's just not too over the top. If that, I just love this pop of color. It's different. I know a lot of makeup looks for Valentine's Day are pretty glam and bold, but this is still daytime and just it's appropriate for what if you have little ones and whatnot. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, leave a comment down below on what you guys are going to be doing for this Valentine's Day. Makeup, no makeup, out, staying home. Who knows what's going on these days in the world. But if you haven't already, sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.